Hello students, how are you? I am fine. I hope all are fine. So today we are going to discussing electric charges and field chapter electric dipole moment. Okay? And previous videos we are discussed Coulomb's law of the forces, all concepts, and similarly electric field also discussed like uniform rod and semicircular ring and ring at the P point and disk at the P point and infinite line at the P point. So today we are going to discussing electric dipole moment. This is a new concept but very useful concept. Like after that we are discussing axial line, electric field due to dipole, axial line and equatorial line any one point P. So today video, shall we start students? Right, first thing here I wrote here concept clearly, electric dipole moment heading. So here electric dipole what is? A system of two equal and opposite charges fixed at a small distance L constitutes a dipole. Means two charges are there, they are both are opposite, positive, one is positive and second one is negative, means I'm acting the dipole moment. So similarly here, if L is the distance between the charges plus q and minus q, then dipole moment is defined as. So this is the basically dipole moment definition. If you want this one, use IP and MSET, NEET and JEE also, and this is the main basic definition. So it will discuss vector form. How is vector form? See, for example, here two charges are there. Here two charges are there, students. Here negative charge, second one is positive charge. Both are opposite. Like here they are attracting to each other, positive and negative attracting, and negative means repulsion and positive repulsion, and one positive and negative attracting. So these two charges are the distance between, length is given L length. Okay, and now dipole moment due to negative to positive P bar, and here vector form from electric dipole moment denoted by P bar, means is a vector, So see here P bar equal to, writing here mathematically, Q into L bar. This is L bar, means here displacement. Okay, clear na students? Here P bar equal to Q into L bar, electric dipole moment definition. Here Q is charge, this is L is length. Next second example we'll take, this is the case 1 like that. Think here example 2 or case 2. So for example, two charges are there, length is increased. For example, this is negative charge, this is the positive charge. Both charges are the distance between 2r. Okay, 2 are their distance, and at the P point, like electric field due to electric dipole moment due to negative to positive P bar, and here P bar equal to 2Q R bar. This is very important, students. And when you are writing magnitude of the relation, here P equal to 2Q R only. This is the vector form, this is the magnitude form. So similarly here, third point, it is a vector quantity, means vector quantity is the magnitude and direction both are there, electric dipole moment, and its direction is from always negative to positive charge. This point is very important. Electric dipole moment is a vector quantity always due to negative to positive charge. So next topic we are discussing like electric field due to dipole moment, like axial line, equatorial line and any one point. This video we are discussing only axial line. Okay, so keep watch, continue. I will write all things, after that I will explain axial line also. Okay students, electric dipole moment concept is clear. So like P is equals to QL, otherwise distance is increased to a relation P is equals to 2QL or 2QR, otherwise 2QA. So see here, next concept, electric field due to dipole, means here electric field intensity due to an electric dipole at a point on the axial line. So I will give briefly this explanation. And see here, first concept is very important. Here wrote everything, all things are concepts. Consider an electric dipole consisting of two charges plus q and minus q separated by a distance 2a. Means I will take first, I am writing here first diagram. See here, first here this is the positive charge and this is the negative charge. So both are distance between 2a distance. This 2a distance, this one. So first concept related by distance by a 2a, and this is clear. The dipole moment of a dipole is p is equals to 2qa from dipole definition. See here, p is equals to, like p is equals to 2qa. This is the dipole moment. Let p be the point on the axial line of the dipole at a distance r from its center as shown in figure. This point is very important. Once again, let p be the point on the axial line of the dipole at a distance r from its center. Means here at p point, here there, this is the p point. Like you think like that, this one unit test charge is there at p point. So actually electric field finded everything, a rod relation and semicircular ring and ring also. See here, first this thing is center point to distance is, this distance is given, how much distance is r distance. Clear na students? See here, first at the p point to at q point minus q point, this distance is total distance, how much here, r plus a. Okay, r plus a. Next this distance is plus q distance is, this is r means this is a, this distance is r minus a. These 2 points very important, distance between and p point to minus q r plus a and p point to at plus q point means positive charge r minus a. Up to this point clear na students? We are deriving electric field now at the p point. So basically here electric dipole moment, here total electric field E equal to E net equal to E positive charge plus negative electric field at the positive charge of the electric field and similarly negative charge of the electric field. So electric field due to a negative charge at p point, due to a negative charge at p point, means here p point due to two electric fields are there. First thing is I am writing here electric field, this is the E negative and this is the E positive, positive electric field here, negative electric field, and here negative electric field is, so minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught, this thing is r plus a whole square. Means actually electric field definition E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. But negative charge, p point to negative charge of the electric field, E means here E negative. I am writing here clearly once again. See here at p point, so electric field E negative equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus a whole square. This point is very important students. Similarly here electric field due to a positive charge at p point, means here E plus q equal to, same like that here q by 4 pi epsilon naught, here r minus a whole square. Observe students, here negative charge of the distance is r plus a whole square and positive charge of the distance is r minus a whole square. These two electric fields are very important. We are substituting from electric field. So clear na student? Up to this point, are you clear? All are? So this is the positive charge, negative charge, and total electric field. And electric field due to negative charge is minus q by 4 pi epsilon r plus a whole square, and this is the r minus a whole square. Next step means substituting here. Diagram also clear everything. So to pass and write all things. Now electric field, net electric field, see here, net electric field E net equal to E positive plus E negative, means here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus a whole square, this one, and minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught here q by r plus a whole square. So E net, we are finding E net also. Students, this video is very important. Axial line electric dipole moment, IP related using, and similarly here very useful in NEET and JEE and BITSAT also. So very useful video. And next, E net equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, here q common thing, here 1 by r minus a whole square minus 1 by r plus a whole square. Okay, to LCM 2 we get this one, how much, see here, E net equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught, here r square minus a square whole square. This LCM here I am directly writing here, 4 a into r, 4a into r, here p cap. P cap is a unit vector. I am talking about, this is the p cap is unit vector, and similarly 4ar. Now this is point also, I am rubbing this one. Very important thing, this one, axial line and equatorial line. And E net equal to, so students here see here dipole moment definition, P is equals to 2qa. So here also is there 2 into multiplying here 2 into 2qa into r by here 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi epsilon naught, this is r square minus a square whole square, and p cap. Here p cap is unit vector. And next, this is the dipole moment. Dipole moment means 2qa. I am rubbing this one. If you want this one, copy paste everything, and after that what happens here, after that see here E net equal to 2 into, this is dipole moment p and r by 4 pi epsilon naught, this r square minus a square and whole square p cap. Okay, here r is greater than a. Consider here r is greater than a. So comparison, two charges of the distance is very small, but at the p point distance is more compared to the a point, a distance. So see here, next step here what happen, E net equal to 2pr by 4 pi epsilon naught r power 4, means r1 is 1 r is cancelled, r cube it will come. So final answer is, this is the p cap unit vector. I am rubbing this one also. And next what happens here, E net equal to 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, means this is the p cap. This is the final electric field, axial line. I hope understood all things.